Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to locate serial number for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the system settings right here in the top right corner of our screen, then scroll down and find device preferences and click on About. Now locate legal information, not legal information, I'm sorry. Now locate the status, and here you can find the serial number. It's 3105-4000-15742. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.